Here's some import substitution trivia. Subscribe. What is a major consequence of import substitution? Is it A, currency depreciation, B, unemployment decrease, C, inflation increase, or D, trade deficits? The correct answer is D, trade deficits. Which industry is often promoted through substitution policies? Is it A, manufacturing, B, services, C, finance, or D, retail? The correct answer is A, manufacturing. Name the economist associated with import substitution theory. Is it A, Joseph Stiglitz, B, Milton Friedman, C, John Maynard Keynes, or D, Gunnar Myrdal? The correct answer is D, Gunnar Myrdal. What was a common result of import substitution during the 20th century? Is it A, decreased tariffs, B, economic nationalism, C, global trade expansion, or D, high foreign investment? The correct answer is B, economic nationalism. Which country's successful import substitution policy lasted until the 1980s? Is it A, Argentina, B, South Korea, C, India, or D, China? The correct answer is C, India. Which economic theory supports government intervention in reducing imports? Is it A, supply-side economics, B, classical economics, C, monetarism, or D, Keynesian economics? The correct answer is D, Keynesian economics. Which sector saw significant growth due to import substitution in Brazil? Is it A, construction, B, textiles, C, automotive, or D, electronics? The correct answer is C, automotive. Which continent saw widespread adoption of import substitution in the 20th century? Is it A, Europe, B, South America, C, North America, or D, Australia? The correct answer is B, South America. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.